This is how you create night vision in Unreal Engine 5, fast, clean, and built for atmosphere. Let's get started. To begin, right-click in the content drawer and create a new blueprint class. Search for and select the Legacy Camera Shake class. Rename it to Night Vision on Camera Shake and then open it. In the Details panel, set the oscillation duration to 0.25 and adjust the blend in and blend out times to 0.05 and 0.15, respectively. Go to the Rot Oscillation section and set the pitch amplitude to 0.6 and frequency to 8.0. Set the yaw amplitude to 0.4 and frequency to 6.0. Then set the roll amplitude to 0.8 and frequency to 10.0. Go to the Lock Oscillation section and set the X amplitude to 0.5 and frequency to 2.0. Set the Y amplitude to 0.2 and frequency to 3.0. Then set the Z amplitude to 0.3 and frequency to 4.0. Set the FOV oscillation amplitude and frequency to 0.3 and 4. Duplicate the on-camera shake and rename it to Off and then open it. For the camera shake, set the oscillation duration to 0.25, with both the blend-in time and blend-out time set to 0.05. Under Rotation Oscillation, adjust the pitch amplitude and frequency to 0.3 and 6. Set the yaw amplitude to 0.2 and frequency to 5. And the roll amplitude to 0.4 with a frequency of 8. Moving to Location Oscillation, set the X amplitude and frequency to 0.3 and 2, the Y amplitude to 0.1 and frequency to 2.5, and the Z amplitude to 0.2 with a frequency of 3. Finally, for FOV oscillation, set both amplitude and frequency to 0. Go to your character blueprint and open it. Locate a suitable space and add a keyboard event for the end key. From the pressed output, connect a flip-flop node, which will allow for toggling functionality. From the A output, add a Play Sound 2D node and select your night vision on sound. Then, add a delay node and set the delay time to 0.25 seconds. Drag in your character's camera, then set the post-process settings. Promote the post-process settings to a variable and rename it to Night Vision. Set the bloom intensity to 1.5 and the threshold to 0.8. Adjust the exposure compensation to 9.5, and both the min and max brightness to 1. Change the chromatic aberration intensity to 0.03. Adjust the lens flare intensity to 0.02. Under Image Effects, set the Vignette intensity to 0.1 and the Sharpen value to 0.5. Under Color Grading, go to Miscellaneous and set the scene color tint to a darkish green. Under Rendering Features, go to Ambient Occlusion and then in Advanced. Adjust the temporal blend weight to 1. Lastly, adjust the film grain intensity to 2. Right-click in the event graph and add a Get Player Camera Manager node. From the return value, initiate the camera shake and assign it to your camera's active shake instance. Copy and paste the Play Sound 2D, Delay, Set Post-Process settings, and Start Camera Shake nodes, then paste them below and connect them to the B output on the flip-flop. Set the Play Sound 2D node to your night vision off sound and set the delay value to 0.2. Hook up the targets accordingly, and set the camera shake to the off-camera shake. Promote the post-process settings to a variable and rename it to Normal Vision. Finally, compile the blueprint and set the exposure min to 0.03. This completes the setup for your night vision effect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.